Hi guys, thank you for joining us. In this video, we are going to tell you how to make fitness a habit. So let's not waste any time and get straight to it. Here is how you can change your life and make fitness a habit. Number 1, set a time and stick to it. Decide on the time you want to break a sweat and commit to it. This is the key to consistency, and consistency is the key to results. Number 2, to prevent veering off track, set regular reminders to ensure that you can keep up with the schedule. Next, start slow. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start slow and then gradually increase the intensity of your exercises. Next, don't rely too much on motivation. Motivation fades. Consistency and dedication is what builds habits and can change your life. Number 5, mix things up. Keep it exciting. Try a variety of workouts to keep things interesting and to avoid plateau. Number 6, hold yourself accountable. Stop making excuses. Allowing yourself to make excuses will only break you of the habit. Remember why you started this journey. Stop making excuses and get after it every day. Number 7, establish a rest day. This is so important when trying to make fitness a habit. If you go too hard, you may end up burning out and quitting altogether. Recovery is important. Give your body and mind a chance to rest. This will allow you to stay focused and be ready for your next training session. And finally, keep grinding. Results don't come overnight. Stick with it. Enjoy the grind. Get after it every day. You are a beast. Go get it. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. It really does make a huge difference to our little channel. Take care and good luck on your fitness journey.